as a mom, it's so hard to have a moment for yourself, so I'm going to show you guys my 5-minute skincare routine because we can't neglect ourselves. We have to take care of ourselves. So I got you, bestie. Buckle up. I'm gonna show you step by step. Hey mamas, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen. Welcome. And if you're old but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys so freaking much. Guys, so many things coming on this channel. Stay tuned and you guys not gonna regret it. Anyways, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So first thing first, make sure your hands are clean. This is gonna be a quick skincare routine. Your nephew is asleep and he's gonna wake up anytime, so I make my skincare routine steps super simple. And right now I'm using this Neutrogena 2% salicylic acid. This one dries out my skin, so I'm gonna go to Superdrug today to get me a vitamin C Boots vitamin C cleanser. I heard they say it's good. So basically what I do, I just activate it in my hand. This is gonna be a quick skincare routine because we don't want your nephew to wake up and we're not finished what we're doing. It's a no-no. As a mom, you have to take care of yourself because otherwise you're going to be depressed. I feel like that's why postpartum depression happens a lot, because we tend to neglect ourselves and just focus on taking care of our baby, which is normal. Let's wash our face. After washing and drying our face, it's looking clean and shiny. I have my AM morning routine, I have my PM routine. If you guys want to see that, let me know. So now we're gonna hydrate our face with this ordinary niacinamide serum. It's really good, it's so hydrating. So I just put 3 drops basically. Instead of rubbing it, you're gonna tap it. This is a quick skincare routine that will help you take care of yourself, make you feel good, and take care of you. I feel like when you become a mom, you forget about yourself most of the time, and I don't want to do that to myself for my own sanity. Like, for real, I love my son so much. He's everything to me, my life. Guys, I love this. It's so hydrating, it makes my skin feel good. So now I'm gonna go with this Aveeno cream. So I just put a little bit. I'm going to buy Nivea because I love Nivea on my skin. It just makes me look glowy. So yeah, like I was saying, as a mom, you have to take care of yourself. I know it's not gonna be the same as before because now we have time limit. Like literally, I don't have a lot of time. I'm working against time right now. But I also know I need to take care of me. I just ripped this thing today. So annoying, but whatever. So yeah, next thing we're gonna do is go with our sunscreen, which is this Nivea sunscreen. I love this, but the only thing is it kind of leaves white cast and I don't like that. So I think I'm gonna be looking for different sunscreen, but make sure you rub it in your hand proper so that way you don't leave any white cast or anything. Try as best as you can. Don't forget your neck. So yeah, this is my 5-minute skincare routine. So yeah, after applying the sunscreen, we're gonna go on with our lippy. We can leave our lip dry, hydrate my lips, make sure everything is fine. So for scent, I'm gonna go with this Because of You scent. I don't know what brand is this. I love to smell nice. So yeah, mamas, this is my 5-minute skincare routine. This is what my skin is looking like. It looks good. I feel good. So take care of yourself. You're not gonna regret it. As a mom, we have to look after ourselves, and there's no shame in that. Dedicate 5 minutes for your skin and you're gonna love it. So yeah, let me know if you guys want my PM routine because I would love to film it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so freaking much. See you on my next video. Bye besties.